Back to the weather centre ahead of the weekend, where thundershowers are forecast mainly over the eastern part of the country, and Saturday morning starts off with some rain along the KwaZulu-Natal coast, but with hot and dry weather persisting over the western part of South Africa. On our satellite, you'll see cloudy weather moving in over the southern part of the country on Friday morning, with a sunny start of the day for the rest of South Africa, with thundershowers in the forecast over the northeastern and eastern interior in the second part of the day. We're also forecasting rain mainly along the eastern Cape Coast, with a predominantly sunny forecast over the central and western parts. And then on Saturday morning, we can expect some rain along the KwaZulu-Natal coast, with a partly cloudy and dry day for the Eastern Cape and parts of Limpopo. Thundershowers are forecast over the northeastern and eastern parts though, with yet another sunny and hot day expected over the western parts. Here's our rainfall probability map, with scattered thundershowers expected over parts of KwaZulu-Natal, the Free State and Mpumalanga, isolated as we head through to the southern part of Limpopo and Gauteng, as well as along the east coast, with a 40% chance of rainfall, mainly along the eastern Cape coastline. Wind-wise, you'll see a predominantly northwesterly wind over the central part of South Africa, with a moderate southerly flow for Durban and a fresh southeasterly wind for Cape Town. Maximum temperatures will head into the mid-30s for Uppington and Kimberley, as well as Bombela and Richards Bay, with a hot end to the work week. 29 as we head into Johannesburg, Bethlehem and Pietermaritzburg, with the warm Friday in store for East London and Graaff-Reinet at 27 degrees. We head into the mid-20s for Cape Town, Port Elizabeth and Bishu, with that cloud keeping things cool in George at 22 degrees. It'll be a warm night in Uppington and Kimberley, as well as along the eastern Cape coast, all with a minimum temperature of 19 degrees, 22 along the east coast, 15 as we head into Johannesburg, Bethlehem and George, 16 degrees for Cape Town and Sutherland, dropping to 11 degrees overnight. Extended forecast for Saturday shows fine and hot weather over the western parts, with thundershowers mainly over the northeastern and eastern parts, and we're expecting rain predominantly in the morning along the KwaZulu-Natal coast. Then on Sunday, daytime highs drop by a few degrees in the southwest, but it'll still be a warm day, with thundershowers extending through to the northern Cape, and a dry day along South Africa's coastline, with a hot forecast for KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.